Alright guys, so real quick before we start the video, I'm doing a giveaway for the Supreme gloves. These are the free items of Fall Winter 2020 of Supreme. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. Make sure you comment in this video your IG username. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram, comment your IG username. Adding to the previous Dunk Low release, Nike is set to release another new colorway this September. Dressed in a multicolored midnight turquoise, cardinal red, and lemon wash color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low appears to use eco-friendly materials from the Nike Space Hippie line that features a grind rubber on the outsole. Other details include a canvas upper covered in various prints highlighted with yellow swooshes, tongues, and heel tabs. Look for the Nike Dunk Low SP Community Garden to release on September 10th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $100 US. I will be leaving links on where you can enter raffles and places dropping this shoe in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Also get into resell, but before we do that, let's just go over this shoe. I don't know how to explain the materials on this shoe. It's a type of fabric. It reminds me of like a quilt. This colorway is mainly purple, blue, and yellow. The best material to compare this upper would be a pair of jeans. It actually gives off like a patchy jean look. You know, like when jeans got rips and they got some patches on it. It kind of gives off that type of vibe. Then you got that yellow on like the Nike swoosh and the heel section that, I don't know, just is a very nice touch. So I'm pretty sure with this colorway, every shoe is gonna have a different pattern. For the most part, all the materials will be the same. They'll just be patterned differently. So technically, every shoe is gonna kind of be a one of one. Now you do have this blue jean type material on the tongue, yellow laces. You could possibly throw on some white ones, maybe some purple, but these yellows just hit perfectly. Off-white midsole with this yellow grit type outsole. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, this outsole is made out of eco-friendly materials. Pretty much it's been recycled, broken down, and put into an insole. Now let's get into resale. The shoe retails at $100. With the release being just around the corner, I'm surprised I can't find this shoe on StockX. Can't really give any reference prices as far as that goes, but I can see this shoe going for $250 at the lowest, up to $400. I wouldn't be surprised if some of your lower sizes hit that $400 price range. I imagine a lot of females will go for this colorway as well, causing those lower sizes to be more sought after, which means raising the resale. So if you are going for resale, go for your lower sizes. Let me know what you think of the colorway. Are you going for a personal? Are you gonna resell? Let me know all that good stuff. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. In the garden community, garden. Why do I keep saying backwards? In the garden community colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new, man, we don't do this anyway. What am I doing? I forgot. I took out these weird intros. I'm not doing it.
Trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Got no choice, shit, I gotta do it. I see the opportunities, I'm my opportunist. Yeah, women skinny dipping like they all know this, ain't y'all come